I am pretty full, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm not as full as the time I went with Scott and Zion to the Korean barbecue place. This place is good. There were 3 price ranges for this place. A 28, a 30 something, and a 48 something. And I didn't know this till my colleague told me. If I ordered the 36 one, everything is available for you to order on the $28 menu as well. So it was really good. You don't need to pay for the $48 option, honestly, unless you really like seafood. And even then, you don't really need to. The middle range price for the all you can eat was actually good enough. But overall, I give this place probably a 6 or 7 out of 10. Price was fair. The quality of the meat wasn't as good as the place I went to with Zion and Scott weeks prior. It was still good, but the quality wasn't as good. There weren't the side dishes where you can just grab and go like a buffet style was also kind of eh. So in general, like it was fun to try, but I'll probably go back. Probably not. Unless it's for something special, but even then I'll probably go to the other place. But yeah. One thing, the big difference I've noticed from this place is that the ventilation and the fans weren't as powerful. Like, I reek of barbecue right now. Like the other place I smelled too after going, but not as bad as right now. Like my hair smells like it too. Like I should have showered after, so but now I'm in the shower again. So, but the thing is, I had to shower after working out anyway, so no choice. I'm not a shower choice. Yeah, my hair smells like barbecue, so you know it's not good ventilation when your hair smells like. My clothes are all smelling like barbecue. So I'm gonna grab a shower. All showered and don't smell like barbecue anymore. It was bugging me. All right, I did get 2 packages. I ordered a few things because I need to set something up for the big staff meeting in 3 weeks. I kind of got ahead of myself. And if you're wondering, yes, I didn't really shop for myself. There's one thing in here that's technically for me, but the rest is for the meeting. I'm going to show it because a lot of my new workers don't watch my YouTube video, so it's fine. Basically, I'm doing this icebreaker game for the meeting. It'll be a lot of fun if it goes according to plan. We'll see. Yeah, perfect. So this thing, oh, it's so small. I didn't think it would be that small. I got a new cover for my camera. Basically, it's more protection for the gimbal because this guy that I use is exposed on the back. So even though the front end is safe, but if I put it in a bag or something, the things pressure from the bag or anything else in the bag might touch it, and it does sometimes move the gimbal, which I didn't really like. It's not damaging it because I'm being gentle still, but I just don't like having the fact that I put it in here, put it in the bag, and I still kind of have to worry about it. With this, it covers the entirety of the gimbal. I didn't think it'd be that small. I'm a little bit weary of what I bought. We'll explore that. And then I got these, not really Lego, but it's kind of Lego. Pokemon themed things. Oh, it's not what I was expecting. Ooh, I screwed up. It only contains the one, doesn't it? Oops. Anyway, so I bought these Pokeball things, and inside there's a Pokemon you basically build. I thought I bought 4, but it's 4 to build. Oh god. I'll open this up. Maybe I'm wrong. Why is the box so big, right? And then this in here should be the rest of them. So for the icebreaker game, basically what I'm doing is everyone's going to be partnered up with somebody, and one person's going to be holding the instructions. The other person's going to be holding the pieces and building it, but the person building it cannot even look at the instructions. The person holding instructions will be the one telling them how to build it. So this icebreaker game not only gets them all a little bit closer, builds them together, but also how important communication is. Okay, so I need 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9. See, this one comes in the 4. I think this is just the one. Crap. I have to order one more. But luckily, you know, I caught my mistake early on. I still have 3 weeks. But I'm going to open this just to be safe. But because this was the same box cover, I think it's going to be the same thing. Okay. Sometimes I wish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I need 1 more. Right?
奶哥，
喂，你唔好搓佢啦，佢執緊嘢。
奶糕啊！你聽到我講咩？
我以為講奶油咁，你奶咩油啫？
哦，奶糕啊！
你坐窗下。
係啊，你坐上嚟啊！喺度講啲咁
大聲咁
幾有似你，咁似我平時講電話。你過嚟。
坐啦，上。
多謝你上車。
你 drop 邊個 off 先？你 drop 佢 off 啦。
咯，
因為
唔係啊，我後面坐啦。
咁我做咩啫？我又唔係嗰個婆婆。
幾好啊！等我。
生活嘢好煩啊，係咪 vlog？人啫。
阿婆幫緊你啊，幫緊你啊，你靜少少啦。幫緊你啊！
就
係咁就係咁啦。
Let's quickly talk about the absence of the last 3 days? 2 days? two days, I think? Yeah. I vlogged on Monday, right? Yeah. So, I didn't vlog because I was really not feeling well. And I kid you guys not, it wasn't like I was sick or anything. Basically, on Monday, I woke up and I felt some pain in my chest area. I low-key thought I was having a heart attack, or like, I forgot what Takumi said, but then I figured, I'm not having trouble breathing or anything. And then I noticed my back when I got out of bed, it was also really painful. It was both my upper back and my upper chest. Like from here up, this whole area was very, like, it was hurting me. And then my back was the same thing. And then I realized it was probably I pulled a muscle, not a heart attack. So I was like, okay, I need to relax. First of all, it's not a heart attack. I'm being paranoid. So I was like, maybe I slept on it funny. Maybe it'll get better as like along the day. You know, got ready for work, head to work. Monday was office day, so I was sitting, and then it was a dreadful office day because the whole time I couldn't get comfortable because I was so much. It was hurting a lot. So I managed to get everything done, and then I tried to massage it a bit with like a massage gun. It didn't really do anything. And when I'm standing straight, it's okay, but any movement, I would feel pain. So it was just not very good. And then when I was lifting boxes for stock, like as soon as I bent down and lifted something, used any strength, I ouch. So it was clear. I messaged Takumi because, Takumi really knows all this stuff. And he said, it sounds like I might have pulled something. So, hopefully it'll get better. And I'm like, okay, fine. So then I went to bed Monday night. Like, I was still uncomfortable. I had dinner with Aaron and Zoe. And then, throughout the dinner, because I was distracted, I really didn't feel anything. But, it was just still uncomfortable. And then on Tuesday when I woke up, it was a lot better. Like, most of the pain was gone. It was only on my far left-hand corner. This whole side was still tingly and hurty. And then I was like, you know what, this is just so uncomfortable because most of my movement returned with no issues. It's just that if I turned left, it hurt a lot. And when I sneezed, either Monday or Tuesday, I was in pain. So then Tuesday, I met over Takumi, and then I was like, Takumi, can you see me do anything? Because I just can't. And then he did some massages. He, try to release some stress off my muscles through my chest and my back. And I kid you not, Takumi should really become a physiotherapist or a massage therapist because afterwards, he relieved so much of the pain that as soon as my head hit the pillow, I knocked the F out. I kid you not, I knocked out. Woke up today, and I am 100% a lot better. I think even if Takumi didn't massage or, release some stress on my muscles, I think I would recover either today or tomorrow even. But, it was just good to have that from Takumi. That was some reassurance, and then I feel a lot better. I don't know what it is. Takumi definitely thinks I pulled something, or he thinks it could be something else. It could be stress. It could be I've been sleeping really poorly. That could, aggravate my muscles here. But I honestly believe it could be the stress that's been, weighing on my mind. It's been even more stressful yesterday because I received an email about something very interesting, which made me think a lot. I'm not going to share this yet because I don't know what's happening. So I'll share it when I feel like I have more idea what's going on. So it's just been very stressful. You guys know that. And it's been also very hot. Like, for some reason, I've rained the last few days, so the temperature dropped. But before then, it was pretty hot. So I guess I was tossing and turning a lot in my sleep, which could have, added to my, the pain. So yeah, but a lot better today. I still took it easy today. I didn't really go out. I was gonna go buy groceries, but then I realized tomorrow I'll get off early, so on my way home I'll get some groceries. But today, basically, I just did some cleaning around the apartment. I did a lot of laundry. But during the last 2 days, I did neglect my apartment a little bit. I just threw clothes everywhere. I wasn't really caring, but everything's set. The kitchen's not too bad, so we're good. But yeah, tomorrow I definitely have to get some groceries. But I am feeling extremely tired right now. It's 11 o'clock or so I'm probably gonna head to bed because I do have to open the store tomorrow. I just got home from work and I got Five Guys. I haven't had Five Guys in a long time, and I decided to do Five Guys as my final takeout. That being said, what's gonna happen is I decided to do a challenge to myself, and that challenge, I've done this challenge before for short durations, but this one's gonna be very ambitious of me. And this challenge is gonna be I'm not gonna get takeout food or go out to eat by myself or buy takeout any kind outside for even Starbucks or going out to McDonald's to buy a quick drink. None of that stuff. Not even a bubble tea. I am not doing any of that until my job contract ends. So in 3 months' time or even longer. Because I'm determined to save as much money as I can before my trip to Hong Kong and Seoul again. So that is the goal. So I'm allowed to buy groceries. I'm allowed to buy prepared foods at Costco or save on foods like the rotisserie chickens and stuff. I'm just not allowed to buy takeout from restaurants and stuff. So that is the rule. So any restaurant related stuff going to McDonald's, Starbucks, all that, bubble tea, all that crap, going to restaurants, Uber Eats, that is not allowed. Because I do spend a lot of money on that. I spent a lot less than I used to. But it's still spending. I don't want to save as much money as go on a nice guilt-free trip, spend, and also have a little bit of pocket money just in case I can't find a job that quick. Because I'm not going to spend that much in Korea. I have suitcase restrictions, right? The only time I'm going to be paying for food at a restaurant is if it's someone's birthday. Like, you know, I'm just gonna, hey, I'm not gonna do a birthday because I'm not allowed to buy food at restaurants. Like, you know, I'm not gonna forbid myself. There's not that many birthdays, so it's good. Or it's a free meal. Like, I'm sometimes hang out with mom, and mom will be like, I got dinner, and I'm like, okay. Other than that, that's it. It sounds easy, but sometimes after a long day of work, it's just really hard for me to cook. And that's why I always end up with takeout. So in this instance, if I don't get takeout and I don't want to cook, I guess I'm not eating. Which is also a good way for me to lose weight. But incentive for me to not, you know, order. I got 5 guys today. I got like a burger, got some fries, and a milkshake, and that's the goal. So I'm eating this right now and enjoy some K-dramas. That's the plan.